In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share post to community on Reddit. To get started, open Reddit and go to your home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can browse posts, check your feed, and access the tools you need to make your own post. Starting from the home dashboard is helpful because it gives you a clear path into Reddit's post creation flow without needing to search around for the right menu. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Create. This opens the post editor, which is the area where you'll put together the content you want to share. If you're using Reddit on a desktop browser, this button is usually easy to spot, and clicking it takes you directly to the setup screen for a new post. After that, create your post. This means adding the content you want to publish, such as your title, and whatever text, image, link, or media you plan to include. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. It's a good idea to keep your post clear and relevant, especially if you plan to share it with a specific community. A well-prepared post is more likely to fit naturally into the community you choose. Next, move to the very top left corner of the post editor and click on the Select a Community option. This is an important part of the process because Reddit posts need to be assigned to a community, also known as a subreddit, before they can be shared properly. The community selector helps you choose where your content will appear, so this is where you decide who your intended audience is. When the community list appears, click on the community or communities you want to share the post with. Make sure you choose the one that best matches your content. This helps your post reach people who are actually interested in the topic and also improves the chances that your post follows the expectations of that space. Different communities may have different posting styles or rules, so it's always smart to double check that your content fits before moving forward. And that's it. Once you've created your post and selected the community you want to share it with, you're set up to continue with posting on Reddit. It's a simple process, but choosing the right community can make a big difference in how your post performs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.